let's hit the road, yeah. Let's hit the road, yeah. Let's hit the road, yeah. I'm hella geek, man. This on me and she hella freak. Diamonds on my ring and them bitches looking hella sweet. Broke up with your man, cause that boy acting hella cheap. Now I'm finna dive in that thing and it's hella deep.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Juicy Dre, and I'm back again with another banger. I'm really sorry for not dropping in a long time because something really bad just went down. Like, I lost my SD card which had all my videos, and I was supposed to drop a video of me cutting down my wolf, and I was supposed to drop another reaction video for my channel, and I was really tight when that happened. But it's all good because I have a banger for y'all coming today. This video is going to feature two GOATs, which is my guy 360Juice and another wave god, which is my guy Jevaughn. And before I get into this, I'm going to show you what I'm working with real fast. And I'm going to show you the demonstration, what's going to happen today. So this is what I'm working with right now. And if you look at the right side, it's really forked up and it's having flow issues over here. And my guy 360Juice and Jevaughn both gave me tips which is helping me fix that issue as of now. And I'm gonna show you a clip of 360Juice telling me what to do.
Yo, Jersey Dre, what up?
What's good, my G? How you doing?
I'm chilling, man. Yo, what's the weight question, man? What's the question?
I mean, I'm just trying to fix my flow on the right side.
Okay, fix your flow on the right side. So what's it looking at like right now? What's the process? What you doing to fix that?
Like, I'm just trying to comb every day. Comb against the grain and comb with the grain.
So do you have forks, or is it just flowing a way that you don't like?
It's just flowing like wrong, like it's not connected.
Okay, so great advice I could give you is, of course, definitely always use your mirror, like your hand mirror. Take a 7-row straight brush, not curved, and just vertical brush the way that you want it to flow. Like if it's flowing the wrong way, vertical brush, because when you vertical brush, it actually pulls your hair more precisely than you would, just brush regularly. So try vertical brushing every single day. Vertical brush when you're washing and styling. In about a month or two, your waves should start moving without you having to scalp. And I'm gonna show y'all a diagram that Jevaughn posted on his Instagram, which is also helping me fix my flow issues from my right side and helping me fix my crown. I'm gonna head to the bathroom right now so I can show y'all how I'm gonna fix my wave pattern. So we out. And before we get this video started, I'm gonna show y'all the items that we finna use today. The first thing we finna use is this comb to make sure every part of my hair is detangled. And the second thing you need is this royalty hard brush, which will help break a lot of forks all the time. Then I'm gonna brush it down with this medium soft brush, which is made by my man's CG, who's also the founder of the swim team. So make sure y'all give him a follow. I'm gonna put the link down in the description. And I'm gonna use this crown brush, which is made by 360 merch. I'm gonna also put this link down in the description. And I'm gonna use this other brush for my crown, which I bought from the beauty supply store, which is the Annie brush. I'm gonna use this wave butter over here, which will keep your hair laid, moisturized, shiny, and soft, which is made by your boy, Juicy Dre. And if you want to cop this butter, you can DM me right now at bmg.juicydre. Then I'm going to use this plastic bag to make sure every part of my hair is laid, because the plastic bag will always get rid of all the frizz whenever you're doing a brush session. And last but not least, I'm going to end this session with this do-rag over here, which is also made by my man's CG, which is called a swim team do-rag. So if you want to cop this do-rag, you can DM my man's CG ASAP. So now let's get this started. Now the first thing you want to do is to make sure you comb with the grain of your wave pattern to make sure all parts of your hair is detangled. And combing your waves every day will result into fixing your flow and your connections a lot faster. Now I'm going to use my 7-row royalty hard brush, and this is literally the fastest way of getting rid of all forks. And you got to do this for at least 30 minutes, but I recommend an hour if you really want to get rid of all forks. And if you look at me right now,
I'm vertical brushing my forky area, and if you vertical brush your forks every day, you'll become flawless no time soon. And you always gotta make sure you're brushing slowly so you can get a better understanding of fix your angles. Shout out to J. Lou. Hold it for a sec, I need to fix my camera real fast. Now you see me vertical brushing my flow, but you never want to over vertical brush, because if you over vertical brush, it will result into messing up your flow again, and we don't want that. Now I'm going to use this tiny any curved brush to work on my crown. Now I'm going to use my 360 Wave Magic Butter to make sure my hair is laid, moisturized, and shiny. Now I'm going to brush in this product with this Swim Team Medium Soft Brush, and this will result into eliminating frizz and laying down your hair. Now I'm going to use this 360 merge brush to help isolate my crown. And when you're using this brush, you gently want to spin it clockwise and make sure you're going slowly so it can help train it. Now I'm going to use this plastic bag to eliminate all frizz and to make sure every part of my hair is laid. And last but not least, you always have to rag up after every brush session no matter what.
Woo!
I'm shining right now. You see how this side is starting to get fixed now. My results, and I gotta give a huge shout out to my guy 360Juice and my guy Jevaughn for giving me the best tips, which is helping me take my waves to the next level. And make sure y'all follow and keep up with them every day, and don't forget to smash that like button and sub to your boy Drizzy Dre. So I'm out of here. Peace out, yo.